name is Mwila, lecturer in heavy equipment repair and the automotive department at Nortec. I'm going to demonstrate how to completely do a loading cycle using the simulator. This is an Acreos simulator. By the way, it is a static simulator, not a dynamic simulator. So let me just introduce a few the controls on this simulator. These are pedals. For driving, forward and reverse, and also for steering. These are joysticks. The joystick on my right controls the opening and closing of the bucket, the lifting and the lowering of the bucket. The other joystick on my left controls the swinging to the left and swinging to the right of the machine, as well as the sticking in and sticking out of the arm. So let me just go through one of the exercises, or a series of exercises that are in this module. Press on the first exercise. In this series of exercises, there are 3 practical exercises demonstrating how to completely load the vehicle. It's the responsibility of the excavator operator to direct the dump truck operator where to park for effective loading and improved productivity. Ensure that your bucket is fully loaded. Okay. Do not spill, and make sure that you are gentle when loading. Do not hammer the bucket to the excavator bucket to the skip of the dump truck, and ensure that you are dropping material in the skip at not less than not more than 1 meter from the material already dumped, because it creates unnecessary stresses. Okay. Pay attention. Make sure that the load is the skip is evenly loaded. Do not concentrate material on one point, because you will be inducing stresses on one axle, and yet the other axles will be free from stresses. We need residential to evenly load the material, and that also saves tires, because once the material is evenly loaded, the load is exerted on all tires, and not only tires on one axle. Spread your material nicely. Set your make sure you set your machine as you are going to pick the material from the loading bay. Do not overload the machine, the dump truck. Make sure that the dump truck is just loaded to its fullest capacity. Once you've completed the cycle, this is slightly overloaded. Prepare for another machine to be loaded. And make sure that when you are waiting for the machine, your bucket must be on the ground like that. Okay. When loading, we don't step on the pedals unless you want to shift the machine, and that should be when the bucket is actually empty and not when it is filled. But you can load on you can step on the machine if you want to drive it, shift it, park it nicely. That is very important. And ensure that you are in a place where you can load effectively. That's when you use your pedals.